Hey, it's Coach Johnny with Let's Learn Muay Thai. Today I'm with Muay Thai fighter Dwayne. He's actually preparing for a fight, and we're going to go over one of the most important principles of Muay Thai, and that's attacking the lead leg. We're going to try to soften up the lead leg, Charlie horse it, attack the nerves on the outside all the way down to the ankle to deaden the leg. Once I can hurt and damage that leg, it'll change the way the guy fights. He'll be more worried about his leg than keeping his hands up, his footwork, and he'll be forced to constantly switch stances. You're always going to have a more dominant side than other. So if we can get them to their weaker side, that's even better for the fight. So from here, there's 3 techniques that I want to see. We have all of our inside kicks from the high thigh all the way down the ankle. When I'm up here, I'm hitting the tender parts of the leg. I'm going to soften up the leg that way. Anything below the knee, now I'm trying to Charlie horse the calf, or I'm trying to break out his base and ruin his stance. All my other techniques come on the outside because we have those nerves that run all the way down the leg. Now on these calf kicks, I'm coming around and hitting the muscle and the nerve to try to deaden the leg. Same thing with our outside kicks where we're coming here. We do want to Charlie horse up the quad, but we also want to start hitting that nerve that runs along the side of the leg. Once he's hurt, that's what we're going to work. Now front attacks, especially in amateur competition, we have shin guards. In amateur or pro, my fist is hard when I hit you versus a slap. My heel is a lot harder than this pad. So now we have the oblique kick or the reverse T. So now I can start putting my heel into the quad or into the hip. If he's an aggressive fighter, I can stop by using the shin. Okay, so what kicks I'm looking for are inside kicks. I can switch and power it up for inside kicks, break the base. I come outside, attack the muscle and the nerve, come over through the calf, break the base, deaden the leg, and then I can stop an aggressive person with a low teep, or start attacking the hip pointer, the quad, all those different things. Okay? So next time you spar, try to practice these drills and attack the lead leg. See you later. Up top.